When most people think about cooking with beer, they think of either a fish and chips or a beef and Guinness pie. But today I'm going to show you how to use beer in a whole new light. We're going to make a beer brined charcoal chicken. So we're going to start with this fantastic King Road lager, 2 cans. To that, we're going to add some salt, about 20 grams. You're looking for about a 5% ratio. Some brown sugar. Brown sugar is going to help it caramelize nicely. We're going to add a couple of pieces of ginger, about 3 pieces, a couple of pieces of star anise, and a couple of pieces of garlic. We're going to pop this over here, and we're going to bring it to the boil and let it cool down before we pour it over our chicken. So once this is cooled down, we're just going to pour it over the chicken. Submerge it completely. Now we're going to let that sit overnight or at least 6 hours. The osmosis or the reverse osmosis with this is going to make it super succulent. So now we've taken the chicken out of the brine and we've patted it dry. It's really important, especially if you're using an open fire like this, that the skin is dry. The skin is part of the secret to this dish. A little bit of oil on the top. And then we're going to pop that straight skin side down onto our grill here. Make sure that the skin is nice and flat. You can do this on your barbecue at home. You can do this in a frying pan if you like. I like to use charcoal. I think the flavor's fantastic. So I've got a jalapeno and char-grilled spring onion salsa that I've made earlier on. This is going to balance out the flavour of that chicken beautifully. Don't be too shy. It's absolutely delicious. So here we have a charcoal chicken that's been brined in King Road lager. It's so crispy. We've served it with a charred spring onion and jalapeno salsa. Absolutely delicious.